Welcome to Affiliate Reel. In this short demonstration video, I'm going to show you how you can create profitable affiliate mini sites promoting any product that you want and start generating commissions with these mini sites. Now, to get started, we're going to click on Create Project and we can search a product by keyword from all these networks. We can enter a custom product that we want, or we can search from categories. For our demonstration, we're going to search for a crypto related product on ClickBank. Click on search. Now you can see all the products with their listing date, average conversions, gravity, attributes, how many they've sold, refund rates, and all the other details. And of course in ClickBank, but in JVZoo and Warrior Plus, you can also see the conversions and EPC. Now for our project demonstration, let's use the crypto code product and click on generate site. Now again, we can create these sites in tons of different languages for all different demographics and countries. We're going to click on create projects to get started. Now Affiliate Reel is going to go out there and start fetching data, scraping all the sales page, all the information that is out there about CryptoCode to start building content for your affiliate mini site. Now as you can see, the mini site is ready to edit. We're going to go on and click edit project. Now as you can see, all the information is pre-populated and generated by AI. We don't really need to edit anything, but you have the opportunity to modify it all. Here you can see all the site titles, taglines. Of course, we can add a custom domain if we want, or we can use a subdomain. So let's call it demo3. And again, we can add a logo, upload a logo, we can skip adding a logo, or we can find the logo from the scraped images about the product. So here's the logo. We're going to use this and click on save and click next. Right here, we can upload more information about the project for AI to understand. But since AI has already scraped all the data, so we already have enough data to get started. But again, if you want to add more information, you can copy paste it or upload PDF, docs, or text file. We're going to click next for AI to start generating content for the mini site that we generated. Now you can pick from tons of different templates that we have. You can add bonuses, you can remove bonuses, add your own custom bonuses, and click next. Now these bonuses are going to help incentivize your site's visitor to purchase through you. Next step is to add your affiliate link. Of course, you can click on the JV page link here to go to the products partners page and find your affiliate link, or you can add your own domain that you can later redirect to whatever affiliate link you want to do that. So we're going to use a custom link over here and click next. Now this is the important part, because this is where you're going to make money. When people click on your affiliate link, you're going to get commission. Right here, we can create a review video. We can see what kind of video we want, the target audience, tone of voice, focus area. We can write the script ourselves, or we can have AI write the script for us. So we're going to write a product review video and click on generate script, and the AI will generate the script in real time for you with lots of content, all good, all fetched from the information AI has learned about this product from their sales page. Next up, you can add stock images in your video, or you can have AI generated images in your video. And you can also include some of the images that you have scraped. So we're going to do this, click on done. You can add your own face as an animated talking head, so it looks like you are actually reviewing the product yourself. And you can of course pick from all these different voices that we already have inbuilt, or you can use ElevenLabs to clone your own voice, or use one of the voices that you've already created in ElevenLabs. We're going to click on next. And we're going to confirm all the information that we have given and click on generate site, and it's going to start generating the mini site and the review video for you, along with comparison pages, review pages, blog articles, blog posts, demo videos, and of course all the bonuses that are out there. As you can see, the website is being processed and video is being generated. Now, as you can see, the project is ready. We're going to click on visit site to preview the site, the mini site that has been created for us by Affiliate Reel. Now, as you can see, this is the URL, and it's going to load up the site for us. Now, as you can see, the site has been created, the logo has been added, all this content is AI generated. This video is going to be replaced by the demo video, the review video that we have created, and it's rendering right now. And all this content is here with key focus, our ratings, testimonials, comparisons, blog articles, bonuses. All these links have your affiliate link on them. You can go into product review to see the product review again, which is AI generated. All the information is here. You can see the pros and cons, the FAQs, how to get started, testimonials, everything is here. You can go into comparison page and you can see product comparison here, which is being done with a competitor product that we found similar to CryptoCode, and you can see why customers should buy this through you. And of course, you can also see the blog and all the blog posts that have been created. All these blog posts are SEO optimized, so you can start ranking on Google and start generating residual traffic to your mini site to generate more commission. And of course, all blog posts have your affiliate link on them, and there's an affiliate link right on the top. As to generate traffic, we go into traffic generation module, and we have got multiple different ways to generate traffic. One of them is AI driven social micro content. So what this will do is create multiple short form videos and publish them on different platforms. We're going to click on our project, click on start creation project. We're going to give it a campaign name. We can select from all these different platforms we want to create short videos for. Our campaign goal, what's the benefit and price value. We can of course pick from different voices we want. We can schedule it for different date and time when the short videos are going to be published, or let AI decide when it's going to be published. We can of course add more information if we want, or it will just use the information of the product that we have already created, and start generating these short videos to go out there, start automatically publishing on social media sites to drive traffic to your affiliate mini site, where people can land, learn more about the product, and buy that product through your affiliate link. The script is generated. Of course, you can add your talking head, the title, description, and hashtags for the videos are generated. You can pick from AI generated media or stock media in your short videos and click on generate videos. And this will start generating these videos that will go out there and bring traffic to you. Now, let's go back to traffic, and then we're going to go and find question and answers on Reddit and Quora that AI can answer and direct these people who are asking questions about crypto online to your affiliate mini sites where they can buy products from you. So let's do that. We select Quora and Reddit both and click next. It's going to go out there and find questions for you. Now again, you can add a custom call to actions, which is going to be your affiliate mini site, or you can add your own affiliate link or whatever link you want to do it. Is going to go out there and find these questions that people are asking in Quora and Reddit, and then AI will automatically answer those for you. Again, you can train AI on more content if you want, or it's just going to take all the additional information that we have already scraped about the product. And here you can see all these questions that are being asked about the niche that you're looking for, and you can select multiple of these questions and then you click on next, and AI will start generating answers for these questions. In terms of Reddit, it will go and post these answers automatically, and for Quora, it will let you download or copy paste these questions that you can then go ahead and answer on Quora to start how you can generate traffic to the affiliate mini site you have created. And you can create tons of these affiliate sites super easily in the next 1 to 2 minutes, publish them online, start generating traffic to them using affiliate AI driven social micro content, Q&A outreach, Pinterest, guest posting, video syndication, ebook and PDF syndication, Google Web Stories, and AI chatbot to start generating traffic and earning commissions. This is how Affiliate Real AI works. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you.